Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money on Binance. Funding your account is the first crucial step to begin your crypto journey. We will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you understand each option. Whether you prefer traditional banking or cryptocurrency transfers, we have you covered. Let's get started and make your first deposit simple and straightforward. Binance offers several convenient ways to deposit funds. You can choose to deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, directly from your bank. Alternatively, you can transfer a wide range of cryptocurrencies from an external wallet. Each method has different processing times and potential fees, so select the one that best suits your needs and preferences for speed and cost. For fiat deposits, a bank transfer is a popular choice. First, locate the deposit section on Binance and select your preferred fiat currency. Then, choose the bank transfer method. You will be given specific bank details, including an account number and reference code. Ensure you include this reference when making the transfer from your bank to ensure your funds are correctly credited. Depositing cryptocurrency is also straightforward. Simply select the crypto you wish to deposit, and Binance will generate a unique deposit address. Carefully copy this address and paste it into your external wallet when sending funds. Always double-check the address and network to avoid errors. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto will be available in your Binance wallet, ready for trading or other activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.